What's going on YouTube? So, I have a new car. It's not this one right here. It's close. Any guesses what it is? Well, if you've seen my Instagram, yeah, baby. Look at that. That's right. It's a 92 SVX. Same as my other one that was just in the background. Oh yeah. She's sexy. Let me flip the camera around. Woo-wee, look at her. So, she got a little cosmetic damage. She got a broken side corner lamp. Bent in the fender there. Otherwise, a little bit of damage right here. Ain't nothing. Ain't no big deal right there. That sticker, Dwight. You ignorant slut. That's right. The Office. I'm a fan. It's got a little paint damage here on the clear coat. Not too bad. The taillights are in good shape on it. The exhaust is original. Interior, it's okay. Nah, that cover got pulled off of right here. It's actually sitting right here in the back deck. But a couple of cosmetic things here. Molding on here. What else we got going on in here? It's got 182,000 miles. Factory Subaru radio. When's the last time you've seen an SVX with a factory CD radio? Wow. And it comes with a second one too. Seats are jacked up. Cracked, no good. Doesn't have a back seat. That kind of sucks. Dash is in really good shape though. Missing the column here. Again, missing this rocker panel. Man, I have not found an SVX that has one of these intact, even like some of the good condition ones. This panel here, I got that. That's okay. Let's see. These are in good shape. All the windows work. The seat belts all work on it. Interior is probably a 5, maybe a 4 out of 10. Exterior is maybe a 6, 7, possibly. Factory moonroof. Yes, baby. Here's the best part about it. VIN number right there. This is an early production 92, built in April of 91. Production code 00528. That's right. This was one of the first ones to come off the assembly line. So, very rare car indeed. Factory antenna doesn't work. That sucks. But, all the glass is intact on it. The car is in overall decent shape. I parked it over here in the side of the weeds. And, the car's in overall decent shape. It's got these wheels on it that somebody painted like a color change, chameleon type paint on, and then put some STI logos on it to kind of make it look like it was STI wheels, but they're not. They're like some cheap discount tire wheels. But meat on the tires is good. And tires are actually in decent shape. They're 17s, low pros. But how to get some new wheels on it, fix that damage. Now it came to me with a owner thought it was a rod knock, but it sounds more like a timing belt. That sounds like the timing belt is got a loose tensioner. So, you know, cosmetic damage on here. We got some paint faded over there. But, I mean, the white paint is actually in not too bad a shape. This will shine back up nicely when it's done. The black on the roof has got to be gone through again. New clear coat on it. Hopefully that's all it needs, and then it'll shine back up. I would love to find a glass sunroof for this, but they're very rare, aftermarket. Not a lot of them around. Under the hood, ain't too bad. It's got a couple upgrades. This is kind of junk. The radiator's pretty good, but I got to find the right cap for it because that cap is just really loose. Everything else looks pretty good. It's got a little bit of a misfire when I start it up. And like I said, I think there's a tensioner that's gone bad where the timing cover is, so I'll have to pull that out and take a look at it, but everything else is pretty good on there. I mean, it's a stock SVX, so we'll see how she does, and in the coming weeks we'll be transferring parts from that lady over there over to this one, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of the SVX.